Norway's southern mountains. The storm Tor is on its way. It's predicted to be one of the most violent storms to hit Norway in years. A storm curfew has been issued, and anything in its path on lockdown. The storm could whip up 13-meter-high waves and hurricane-force winds. It's barreling towards Norway at a terrifying 150 kilometers per hour. Rescue garage owner Tord is racing against time.
Now the storm coming for full, so now I have to take all my cars, the garbage, everything in my garage, because I think everything go to hell. I think this is only the start now, and a little bit later I think it will be crazy. It will be a tough night for Odda with this storm.
And it's already claiming victims. The trailer is stuck high in the mountains. With a blown clutch, this truck's going nowhere. The storm is only getting fiercer. Time's ticking. This truck needs to get off the mountain to safety and fast. Tord and Andre are heading out to help the stranded Ukrainian truck driver. The winds are rising. The roads are icing over. Tord's already having trouble standing upright.
We want to have everything down from the mountain. We have to get it away before the storm coming and the snow and everything. It's not a good place now.
Any other day, Tord would leave the trailer behind and tow the cab to a garage to get the clutch fixed. But this storm could destroy a loose roadside trailer.
Now we have to take this man down from the mountain because he is very scared. He tells us that he don't want to stay in the mountain and waiting, so he have to come to Odda.
The only solution? Tow the whole rig down the mountain. The only problem? Towing this overlong vehicle long distance is illegal. Tord needs special clearance from the road authorities.
I am waiting for some dispensation from Statens Vegvesen to towing the whole. But nobody called me. Because we are too long. Everybody is too long. Oi!
The wait for permission drags on. The storm's starting to bite, and then a sound nobody wants to hear.
Ras. Lynte det. Tror du ikke var ras?
The mountains have just added a deadly new twist to the scramble to get it safe.
This is not good.
But even the threat of an avalanche doesn't change the fact that Tord can't move this trailer until he has the authorities' permission.
Now we need to take this truck down and the man who drive the truck down to Odda because it starts to get real bad weather. It looks like you get it's like you get sand in your face.
Tord's straining at the leash, but all he can do is get ready for the tow so they can get off the mountain as quick as possible.
Now I'm looking for the rope for towing. The truck is new, so we don't know where anything is.
This €200,000 rescue rig is state-of-the-art, and Tord is a recovery master. But right now, he's lost his rope. The storm is closing in fast. Time is precious.
Här för fan. Helvete. Hallo? Ja. Det er jo en helsikes vær oppe her nå. Det blåser jo stikker og strå. Den er god. Takk skal du ha.
Finally, the call comes through. They've got a green light to tow this overlong truck to safety, but the timing's going right down to the wire.
The truck is 40 ton. So today I'm very happy that it's not ice in the road. If not, we have to lift it to do it, because if it's slippery on the road with this truck, we have no chance to tow it. Maybe we get little problem today too. Now the storm coming, and we and Andrea can see if we can do it in the storm. Går detta så går allt. If this going, everything goes.
It's a massive vehicle, but Tord's rescue rig is a monster that just loves this kind of work. A little later, the storm is now moments from hitting, but Tord is heading up the mountain again. He knows the emergencies are going to keep on coming, and whatever happens, they'll need to be cleared before it's too late.
This is a real wild night, because no somebody else called. This evening never ends.